Hi, I am Zoe Digital Creations. Today I'll change the battery of this phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy J6. I start by removing the tempered glass screen protector. Done. Now I warmed the edges of the phone to be able to remove the screen easily. I take the toolkit I bought on Amazon. I leave you the link in the description. I pry to open the screen. With a screwdriver I remove the block of the screen connector. Now I gently disconnect the screen. This is the phone without the screen. Now I have to remove 19 screws. Once done, I remove the SIM card slots and SD card slot. Now I pry the edges of the phone to detach the body. Done. I disconnect the battery, and I leverage to detach it. This is the new battery I will install on the phone. I'll leave you the link in the description. It is original Samsung. This is the difference between old and new battery. Now I place the new battery, and I plug it in. I take the body of the phone and put everything back in its original position. I reinsert all the screws. I reposition the slots of the SD card and SIM card. I connect the screen and insert the security lock. After putting some glue on the screen, I close everything. I'll leave you the Amazon link of the glue in the description. Leave a like if you like this video, subscribe to not miss the next videos. Follow me on social networks to not miss the news. See you soon.